Mana kamano bende jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale nobago romo kod lakteche bwo riwruok mar KMPDU kendo singo mar yudo duoko makare ne achiedh nade ma lakteche kaloe motelo ne ng'anyo margi mochan dwe mar Ang'wen. Duale bende osingo ne laktechego ni tero lakteche maraga kara intern doctors kuondegi mag tich biro rumo kochopo dwe mar Auchiel kosingo mar tiyo kanyakla kod migawo mar omenda e wi chudo mag lakteche. Korka korgi laktechego orwako lalruok makamano ka gigeno ni twak makamano biro tieko midhiero mathoth makisebedo kage kaloe kuom kinde buora.
That's the reasons why we're having this, because the first batch of doctors.
We want to commit to you, the leadership, and to the country, that the balloting for the internship has begun. The posting of the internships will be done on 1st of July. You have that commitment. The parties agreed that payment of outstanding salary arrears of the national government employees was to be effected in April 2025, and which we are going to do it. We have committed. We are in April and we will do it.
So this meeting was quite important because it was either to meet the minister before the strike or to go on the strike and meet the minister. But as a union, we believe in dialogue. And before we take any actions, we have to always exploit all the available mechanisms for addressing the issues. And for the first time, the issue of interns that we've been trying to explain to everybody the roles interns are doing, the CS seem to have understood it well perfectly. I think it's now him to explain to the CS, to the Treasury. It's him now to explain to the head of the Republic. And I believe that if he has the green light, all these matters will come to a close.